Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
The Necromancer specializes in summoning and controlling undead minions for sustained damage. Position yourself behind allies and avoid direct frontline exposure at all times. Keep distance and kite while your minions absorb aggro and deal steady damage. Rotate basic summon skills to maintain 3 active minions before engaging tougher targets. Use your ultimate when minion count reaches 3 for maximum burst and area control. Prioritize health and range upgrades that increase minion durability and your survivability during prolonged engagements. Start fights by summoning 2 minions, then cast a crowd control slow to shape enemy movement. Follow with single target commands that force minions to focus high priority threats. Maintain 3 minions by recasting summons every 12 to 18 seconds during fights to avoid downtime. Keep your positioning mobile and avoid direct damage while minions tank and damage. Use Area Ultimate to clear groups and amplify minion damage in bursts when multiple enemies cluster near each other. Invest in range and minion health upgrades rather than pure personal armor to extend your tactical reach. Equip 1 defensive consumable slot and plan retreat paths to preserve your minions and yourself during heavy enemy focus. Use crowd control trinkets and health regeneration modules to prolong engagements without constant resupplies. Adapt loadout to mission type by favoring sustain for long fights and burst damage for raid scenarios. Communicate with teammates about summons and priority targets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.